ever gotten your paycheck only to feel like it disappeared in a few days? You're not alone. Millions of people feel trapped in the same cycle. Money comes, money goes, and at the end of the week, your pockets are empty. Today I'm going to show you how even small savings done the right way can completely change your life. Hey, welcome to Money Works, the channel where we take complicated money ideas and make them simple for you. If you have watched my last video, you already know why you are always broke. But knowing the problem isn't enough. We need a solution. And today we are going to talk about how to save money every single week, even if you earn little, even if you feel like you can't. Let me tell you a story. There's this person, let's call him Alex. Alex gets paid every Friday, and at first he feels happy. He buys a coffee, a snack, maybe a little gift for a friend, and suddenly by Monday he's broke. Sound familiar? That was Alex every week. Money come in, money went out, and the cycle repeated. The problem isn't that Alex earns too little. The problem is there's no system, no plan, no simple rule to keep control over the money he worked so hard for. This is the rule Alex learned, and the rule I want you to follow. Save first, spend later. When you get money, take a small portion and set it aside immediately, even if it's just $1 or a few coins. It might feel tiny at first, but here's the truth. Small money saved consistently grows into big change. It's the same with every single one of us. The secret isn't earning more. It's learning to make your money work for you, even just a little at a time. Alex decided to try something simple, a jar. He put his saved coins there every week. He could see it grow. Every time he looked, he felt a little proud. That small proud became motivation. If a jar isn't your style, an app works just as well. The key is watching your progress. Visual proof that your effort is paying off is what keeps you consistent. Here's another thing Alex did. He started tracking every small expenses. Coffee, snacks, airtime, random little things. He wrote it all down, and he noticed something shocking. Most of his money was gone in tiny leaks, not big payments. Cutting just a little here and there freed up more money for saving. It was not about being perfect, it was about being aware and intentional. Alex did not deprive himself. He allowed himself a small treat every week. Why? Because saving should feel good, not like punishment. When you reward yourself, even in small ways, you are more likely to stay consistent. The key is balance. Save time, track spending, enjoy small wins. Here's the truth I want you to remember. Saving does not have to be perfect. It does not have to be big. Small steps done consistently create freedom. Small savings every week lead to control over your money and control over your life. You don't need a huge income to start building wealth. You just need a plan, a little discipline, and patience. Now it's your turn. Start with just a tiny amount today. Even one coin matters. And if you want to learn how to multiply your small savings into something bigger, subscribe and watch the next video. I'll show you step by step. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with one small action today.